Radians and degrees. We know that 1 unit circle is 2 pi radians, or 360 degrees, and also that halfway is pi radians and 180 degrees. This enables us to make the equivalent statement that pi radians is 180 degrees. We can use this to convert between both radians and degrees. For our first problem, we'll be converting degrees into radians. First, we have here 60 degrees, which we will then multiply by pi radians over 180 degrees, where the degrees will cancel out. And multiplying this together, we will get 60 pi radians over 180. And when simplifying, we will get pi over 3 radians. For our second problem, we will be converting between radians and degrees, and we have here 5 pi over 4 radians, which we will multiply by 180 degrees over pi radians. So the pi's will both cancel out, and when you multiply this together, you will get 900 over 4 degrees. And simplified, you get 225 degrees.